Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll walk you through the process of finding the privacy policy in Facebook on your PC. It's essential to know how your privacy is protected on social media platforms like Facebook. So, let's dive right in. First, open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and typing in www.facebook.com in the address bar. Hit Enter. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look for the profile picture icon located on the top right corner of the screen. Simply click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. You'll usually find it towards the bottom of the list. Now that you're in the settings, scroll down until you come across Privacy Center. Give it a click to proceed. Within the Privacy Center, you'll find a range of options. Look for Privacy Policy and click on it. Voila! You've successfully located the privacy policy in Facebook on your PC. It's important to review this policy periodically to stay informed about how your data is managed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.